Hey, how you doing? Map here, Map Investments. I want to do a video on some of my big winners today and what I saw in the market. Um, so let's start. Today I had 136 fills in this account, and I have a stock that's bucking the trend in the after hours. CPSH. You can see I only have 25 shares. Um, my initial buys. I'll go to the account so you can see my initial buys here. I had a buy about 10 at 742. I bought another 10 at 977, and I only bought 5 at 1083. And the first buy was on February 1st. I had seen it creep up here on well, I had this it had this big bar here, and then it came back down, and I was doing some research on it, and I saw this little bar here on uh, on February 1st with some volume again. And I was like, why not get in this? Because it's a pretty low float stock, and that stuff seems to be moving, and it does pretty good. Um, it only has 13 million shares. It's a $219 million company right now. It's got only 5% institutional holding and 5% um, short interest. So they had a deal today, higher after an order for aircraft carrier armor. And I was looking at what these guys do. I guess they do like special metals. So they're in all these industries: transportation, energy, telecommunication, defense, automotive, computing, internet, aerospace, oil and gas. Um, so basically they do it's like a metal, I'm not an engineer or anything, but it seems like they do a special metal that has a special material that helps in the building of these products. So I took a stab at it when I saw it here. um, it's a profitable company. They have 4 straight quarters of earnings. One, two, three, four. They have four straight. Let me see if I can put up the weekly here, see what it says here. They don't break it down, but well here, yeah, here it be here, it be here. They've had 4 in a row. Okay, here it was negative. Here they beat. So they seem pretty that they've been in a good trend. 15% of the management owns the stock as well. Um, so I jumped in it, and it acted well, and I like to, when it acts well, um, stay with it, and maybe buy a little bit more if it's trending up. Maybe I'll wait for a little pullback in this, but this one was bucking the trend today. Put it on your watch list. See how it behaves. I mean, it's kind of high right here. I wouldn't be buying at these levels. I try and get back. Maybe they can get back to. If they can get back to 12, between 15 and 12, I think it might be. I mean, 12 would be good, but it had a huge bar here. So look at this company. I try and focus on these micro, small caps, and small cap companies, and I try and look for a next winner. Um, on the big stuff, man, like you can watch my videos, my stuff. On the big stuff, I just try and do my option trades when applicable. Like if Amazon is going to report earnings and there's good IV, or if Apple's down, because those are big, high capital stocks, and if you can get into the next winners, like I've been preaching in the video, um, you know I'll give you an example. I was looking at this stock, APPS, right? I was looking at this stock when they were at $5 a couple years ago. Not even a couple years ago. Last year, 2020, it was a low of three. $3. Look at this. $3. This stock after hours today, I have a put credit spread in it. After hours, this stock hit 74. It's at 70, 71.67. It's up after hours. They reported a good quarter. So that's what I'm talking about. Finding the next big winners. There's always a bull market on the bigger stuff, like Apple, let's say, at 105. If you have a down day, you saw a put credit spread, or Facebook. If it's down, I closed this one today for 50%. And you look for the ones that have decent idea on the big ones. But 100 shares of this stock is 26,000 dollars. That's a lot of money, a lot of money. So I try and focus on the small stuff. Here, I'll give you another one. I was looking at Sava at $7. This stock was a dollar, $10. It hit all. It's right now. I'm watching the ticker Sava after hours, and that's what this channel is all about. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm looking for the next winners. I don't want to be a typical guy that's in the typical stock. That's not me. If I see an opportunity in them, I'll get into it. But look at this, $123 hit 130. It's at 113. This stock was a dollar. Let me put up the year chart. Look at this, $1.63. This thing is over $100. So those are the things that I try and look for. Well, anyways, like the channel, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and I'll be doing some more videos. Today I have a break, so I'll be able to do some more stuff. See you in the next one.